This is a demo for the bulk booking page. By clicking the Excel Format button on the left, you can download the Excel format. Here is your Excel upload format. Firstly, in your Excel format, you have notes in the header of the column. These notes contain instructions on what you should or should not do. Like the note on the consignee name column says, the consignee name is mandatory. And in the mode column, the note indicates that you can only enter surface or air. Now, in the format, we see NA and 0 below the header. These are the default values. If you don't want to put a value, you have to use the default values, NA for characters and 0 for numerical entries. Here you can see the default value for each column. This is a demo Excel file that we are going to upload on the bulk booking page. Here, in the Pickup Warehouse Code column, I don't want to put any value, so I just write NA as the default value. Now we are going to upload this Excel file by clicking on the Excel Upload button. It will open the File Manager, then you can select which file you want to upload. If you click No, it stops the file upload. If you click Yes, it continues uploading. Finally, it displays the message indicating a successful upload. Now, let's look at some common errors. If we remove the NA default value from the Pickup Warehouse Code, then save the Excel file and upload it again by clicking on the Excel Upload button, it will give us an error. As we can see, it gives us an error. Here is another common error. If we try to upload this file, then we get this error. It says that the PIN code you are trying to upload is not in the database. To solve this, we need to delete the row from the Excel file that contains this PIN code or change the PIN code. If one of the PIN codes doesn't match, the whole Excel file won't upload. Now we change the PIN code, it should be able to upload. Now it is able to upload successfully. This is the end of the bulk booking demo.